What's up, fam? Bam, it's your boy James R. Davis Sr. Welcome to Credit and Financial Success with James R. Davis Sr. I want to show you something real quick with this system, man, that I am just so impressed with. Let me see if I can do something real quick. Iconz, checking on some features real quick. Let me check something out. Alright, cool. Alright, so first I want to show you one of the first things that this benefit did for me was this. I know how to fix my own credit. I did it last year. We had a great increase in score. It worked. But this month, on the 12th, I got a notification that my score had jumped up 46 points. An additional points possible was 90 plus, score master 70 plus. So I had a 46-point increase. That's the first thing that I want to show you. The second thing I want to show you is the fact that I've been getting a daily guarantee every day at 4:02 p.m. increasing my cash flow. Like, this is $900 a month. So far this month, I have a balance of $666. I'm 91% to my next level, which is $50 a day. I am an area director. I'm literally 40% away from a $500 a month vehicle bonus. All right, our cars are paid off. We have titles to them. I don't have any car note, but hey, I'm just going to use the cash, right? My next rank is going to be district director, right? Also, I get a presidential bonus, $500. So I'm 32% away from that bonus. And so, guys, listen, when I tell you that this system is helping a lot of people, it's helping a lot of people in a major way. So let me start this watch party real quick because I want to get this on my timeline as well. So video. Hold on 1 second. See if I can do this real quick. I want to show you this testimonial first and foremost. You guys know Steve Harvey, right? Steve Harvey Morning Show. Well, Junior of the Steve Harvey Morning Show joined us a few months ago, and he has literally hit district director. Next rank that I'm about to hit, which is very powerful. Here, my good friends Charles and Judith, they receive their deeds. Okay, their deeds for this property out in California, $40,000 at 4%, 4.6%. They literally have the deeds to this property. This is called buying land in the path of growth. Okay, here's another person that says, look, see this little picture here? Land banking. Check this out. Check out what they said. Many of you won't know what this picture represents, but this picture right here means so much to Jatasha Harris and I. This picture isn't just a location on a map. This picture is the location that we now own. That's right, you all. We are now the proud owners of land in California. All right, so listen, guys, we have a game changer event coming up September the 18th through the 20th. Of course, you got your boy on here, my man, Mr. Brian M. Bean himself. Incredible gentleman. Look at this. Receive my information from Money Max. Got an instant pay raise of $600 a month, which is about $72 a year. I mean, this is insane, guys. I mean, I just showed you that part, right? So if you are a real estate agent, you're a car salesman, you're a business owner that offer finances to customers, then we want to help you. We want to help you. We want to make sure that we are providing a service to your clients so they can get approved quicker. And I was trying to find one other person that had his deed to his land. Shouts out to my sister Shayna. She is officially $1 million ring earner, the fourth one with extra digit, the second female in MWR history. So you know what that means, guys? And here's the ring. You know what that means? That means that timing is literally everything. And because I know a lot of people, right? And because I can place people underneath people, I'm literally building, as I sponsor people, I'm building underneath people who are qualifying for me to help build underneath them. Now, it's a very, very simple concept and system and build to understand. One outside customer, 3 personal business partners. That kicks in your guarantee. Like, that's insane. 3 business partners, 3 people that want to shift their income, 3 people that want to get an immediate pay raise, 3 people that want to pay less taxes. Let me show you guys this. I also want to show you this. Look at that. Look at that. $52,000 in deductions this year. And I still got 45 trips to classify. I still got 86 expenses to classify. Who don't want to turn their car? Look what I just went and bought the other day. Right? Got me some drop cards. I got me some drop cards. My seat is full of drop cards, right? What happened? Yeah, here's one right here. I went and got me some drop cards, a little gas saver, because I know how to get out here and hit these streets and hit these gas stations and hit these communities and talk to folks. I went and got me some drop cards, a couple thousand of these, right? And I'm actually giving them to people, into their hands. I'm dropping them on the ground. I'm doing a combination of different things. Why? Because people, listen, we're talking about immediate pay raise. We're talking about credit repair that the professionals are doing for you. They're doing the work. We're just building. We're just exposing you guys. That's what's powerful. The Bill Shredder program. I mean, let me go in the group real quick and let me show you something in the group. And this is what I want you guys to do. We want you guys to get into the testimonial group, okay? Because I want you to see something. I want you to see something. This is absolutely insane. What's going on over here? All I gotta do is scroll down. Look at that. $5 a day, she's excited. Okay, this person is excited. $5 a day. This person, Bill Shredder, saved you $100. I mean, come on, guys, listen. I'm excited and thankful to MWR Financial, Bill Shredder. They are saving me $100 on 2 CPI bills, coverage for 2 months. Bill Shredder informed me they will negotiate again in November 2020 with this bill. So the Bill Shredder system was able to cut one of her bills, right? Saving $100 a month on one of her bills. All right, here's another example of Bill Shredder. Well, MWR Financial has done it again with Bill Shredder. Big thanks go out to Tiffany, my personal bill reduction expert, for negotiating on my behalf. And look at what it says. She's saving some money on her Cox bill, on her AT&T wireless bill. Jesus. On her, what's this? Vivid bill, her DirecTV bill. I mean, come on, guys. This is insane. Okay? Credit score is going up 15 points. Already showed you mine's, right? Just got mine on August the 12th. Mine's jumped up 46 points. So, real people, another Bill Shredder testimonial, T-Mobile, right? Happy to inform you that, let's see here, they'll start negotiating on August the 9th, and they'll let her know. One down, one more to go. All right. Unexpected blessing. I just received a text message that read as follows: You have received $498 in your e-wallet from Financial MWR Financial, and check my account as to why. I am the Bill Shredder Drawings winner. Membership paid for. Wow, that's crazy. See what I'm talking about? Credit score going up 40 points. All right. This is not a game, folks. This is serious business. Okay. You want your bills shredded? You want your credit score to go up? You want to be able to buy you some land? You want to be able to get paid every single day? Okay. Look at these testimonials. Absolutely insane. So listen, there's two ways you can get started. Members just want the membership. They want the money max. They want the credit max. They want the equity max. They want the wealth max. Land banking, private reserved accounts. You gotta get on that side of money. Okay, you gotta get on the private reserved accounts aspect of money. I didn't know about a private reserve account. Okay, I'm getting educated on that myself. All right, that one was new to me. Anyway, yeah, great company, great leadership, great information. So listen, the link is going to be up above. Customers, it's only $79.97 a month. Okay, so you can just get it, get the membership, right? Upload your paychecks, your recent paycheck stuff. Okay, the licensed professionals, IRS enrolled agents are going to negotiate on your behalf. Just upload the documents. They negotiate on your behalf. They do the numbers, send it to your employer. Bam, you're getting that money back in your paycheck. Okay, and then upload your annual your credit reports. They're going to do that as well. Okay, equity max. People are paying off their homes and getting out of debt. I mean, here's the question, and I'm done. Would you rather take 30 years to pay your home off, or would you rather take 6 years to pay it off? And actually know what your financial freedom date is. See what I'm saying? It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. signing out. You guys know I got you covered. All right, my in the garage, getting my grind on, and I just wanted to hop on real quick and share this real quick with you guys because I'm going to upload it to my YouTube channel. I'm going to share it to my timeline and all this kind of stuff. So if you get value in this, go ahead and share it, okay? Go to howtoshiftyourincome.com and check out the information, okay? You can't enroll from that site. It's just an informational site. Howtoshiftyourincome.com. I'll post a link up above. Click on it. Review the information. Then I'm going to have my number up there. Text me. I'm ready to roll, all right? In fact, listen, I'm just going to put the link up above. Members only, $79 a month. You want to become a director, a franchise owner, right? This thing takes me back. I think about the legal service industry, back prepaid legal days, man, because of the leadership, because of the service, and because it's United States only, and the way they pay out. Oh my God, it's sick. Can I show you guys this? Let me show you guys something. I'm an area director, right? And let me show you something real quick. I was looking at my commissions today because I logged in. I had another commission back here, and I just want to show you two bonuses real quick. This expansion bonus and then this check match bonus. Look at that, $45 expansion bonus, $12.50 check match. God. $45 for expansion bonuses, meaning your franchise is expanding. So every time your franchise opens up a franchise, right? Hear what I'm just saying. When you invest into this business, you got a franchise. When you share with other people, you just opened up another franchise. When that franchise shares it with someone and they open up another franchise, that's called an expansion bonus. They get paid $50. Because I'm an area director, I earn 45. So guess what? I have an incentive to want to help you. For real, for real. Let's go out here and bless the world. Here's the bottom line, and I'm done for real. We're in a pandemic right now. It is August 22nd, 2020, and we're in the middle of a pandemic. People, I'm talking about tens of millions of people are unemployed. Tens of millions of people have filed for unemployment. It's a lot going on right now in this country, and we have a real legitimate solution. 225 if you want to become a director. 228, I'm sorry, 228 one time. 119 a month. Okay, here's the deal. Think about this for a second. You join for 228. Here's what's happening. Here's what these people are doing. 228, especially if you have a job. 228 once, you're getting a pay raise. Let's say you get a $300 a month pay raise. You're in profit. You're in profit just for joining us, allowing the professionals, the IRS enrolled agents, do their jobs and help you get your money back in your paycheck. It's your money. You work for it. You deserve it. Okay? Learn some new strategies. We're showing you guys how to take your money and use it and totally fund your dreams. And if you choose to expand and increase your cash flow, you can do that by sharing it with other people. Because again, think about it, who don't want a pay raise? 228 once, you're getting $300, $400, $500, $600, $700, $800, $900 a month back in your paycheck. Think about that for a second. I want you, just the first step. Just the first step, which is very powerful. So listen, we are actually live right now on the Extra Digit Movement page. So I'm finna hop off of here and I will see you guys over there. Peace.